Ever waited forever for a Power BI report to load? It's frustrating, right? Let's dive into some tips and tricks to optimize your Power BI reports and make them lightning fast. In this video, we'll cover the best practices for optimizing report performance and troubleshoot slow reports. Let's get started. Best practices for optimizing report performance. Data modeling, star schema. Explain the concept of star schema and how it can improve query performance. Relationships. Discuss the importance of correct relationships between tables. Data types. Emphasize using appropriate data types to reduce storage and query overhead. Measure calculation efficient DAX. Formulas. Demonstrate how to write efficient DAX formulas for calculations. Calculate table. Explain the use of calculate table for complex calculations. Visualizations play a crucial role in how we interpret data. Simple visualizations like tables and charts are not only easier to understand, but also enhance performance significantly. When it comes to visual interactions, keep in mind that they can impact performance as well, so it's essential to manage them wisely. Filtering is another key aspect to consider. Contextual filtering can be incredibly effective when used properly. It allows you to focus on the data that matters most. Slicers and filters, on the other hand, should be used following best practices to ensure optimal performance and usability. Now, let's talk about data volume. Large datasets can slow down your reports, so it's important to use techniques like sampling and aggregation to reduce data volume. These methods help in maintaining performance without compromising the insights you gain from your data. Troubleshooting slow reports and dashboards can be a bit challenging, but it's crucial for a smooth user experience. Let's explore some common issues and how to address them effectively. The Performance Analyzer tool is an essential feature in Power BI. It helps you identify what parts of your report are consuming the most time and resources. By using this tool, you can pinpoint inefficiencies and make targeted improvements. Query optimization is a key aspect of improving report performance. First, analyze your queries to identify any performance bottlenecks. Look for areas where queries are taking longer than expected, and consider whether they can be simplified or restructured. Next, let's talk about index optimization. Indexes play a vital role in speeding up data retrieval. By optimizing your indexes, you can significantly enhance the performance of your queries. Ensure that the most frequently queried columns are indexed appropriately to reduce query times. Data refresh. Let's talk about optimizing the refresh schedule. It's important to strike a balance to ensure data is up to date without overloading the system. Incremental refresh. One of the key benefits of incremental refresh is that it only updates data that has changed, which can significantly improve performance and reduce load times. Hardware considerations. Ensuring you have sufficient hardware resources is crucial. Without enough resources, your Power BI performance can suffer. Power BI Premium. Opting for Power BI Premium can provide significant advantages, such as enhanced performance and the ability to handle larger datasets. Common pitfalls. One of the risks to watch out for is creating overly complex measures. They can slow down your reports and make them harder to maintain. Inefficient visualizations. Another common mistake is using inefficient visualizations. It's important to choose the right visual for your data to ensure clarity and performance. Conclusion. To recap, we've covered optimizing the refresh schedule, the benefits of incremental refresh, the importance of sufficient hardware resources, and the advantages of Power BI Premium. We also discussed the risks of overly complex measures and inefficient visualizations. I encourage you to experiment with these tips and share your experiences. For further resources and documentation, check out the links provided. Thanks for watching.